Yan, almost done na. Almost done. Thank you everyone. 4 million in the house. 4 million in the house. Ayan na. Ayan na. Sandali lang po ha. Nataw eh. Ay, hello, Day. Ano, confirm na? Okay na. Sabihin ko na kay Marisa. Para isabi kay Lisa na ikaw ang Sunday. Saan? Pag kuwan? Bukas ng gabi. Ang dadatngan mo, wala kang dadatngan doon. Wala. Parang, sandali lang ha. Thank you everyone. Thank you. 3 million in the house. 3 million in the house. Okay, sandali lang po. Ako'y ayusin ko lang yung aming schedule sa work. Guy. Confirm na lang. Confirm, nasa na yun? Aroy. La. Oo na. Oo. Thank you. Yan na. Thank you everyone. 6 million in house. Okay, yan na. Tapos na. Okay, 1 million in the house. Sinong sunod nating i-play? Agoy. Ating i-clear ang history. Tapos na ba yun? I-play. Thank you everyone. Thank you sa 2 million in the house. 2 million in the house. 2 million in the house. Yan na po, Sislin ating i-play. Play po natin si Sislin. New video daw. Uy. Yan, may harang pa. Thank you. Yan na. Ay. Hmm.